Hello guys, today I'll be presenting the ALX Webstack portfolio project. We are developing an e-commerce webstack called Tech Threads Ghana. My name is Gideon and thank you for watching. So the developers on this project are Hamza, who is handling the back end, and Gideon JB, who is handling the front end. Tech Threads Ghana is a full-stack e-commerce platform dedicated to showcase and promote the vibrant tapestry of Ghanaian fashion and apparel. We aim to empower local designers and artisans by providing a centralized platform to showcase their unique creation to reach a wider audience and embrace sustainable and ethical practices. So in our locality here in Ghana, we notice that artisans, people who create purely Ghanaian made artifacts and products do not have the platform to showcase their products, and even if they are out there, they're not a lot, so you rarely see them. What we normally see on e-commerce platforms are foreign goods, maybe China, maybe UK and all that. So we aim to create this e-commerce platform solely for the Ghanaian made and fashion and apparel products, and we just don't want to create a platform. We want to create a platform that reach a wider audience, because we're well aware these artisans and Ghanaian creators do have physical sort of stance, but they don't showcase it like to a broader audience. So we aim to create a platform that will enable that, and we also just don't want to give them the opportunity, but to help them embrace sustainable and ethical practices, because in business there are certain practices that, when being observed, it helps like sustain the business or the market in a grand scale. So we aim to do all this with the help of the platform, e-commerce platform. Learning objectives. The goal here is to obtain experience from building this project and use new technologies to broaden our skill set. So the back-end development, the front-end development will help us brush on what we've learned, and also help us try new technologies in that aspect to enhance our knowledge. So in this project, we will be using a lot of new technologies and third parties in order to make everything work and run smoothly. So we are looking forward to completing this project and coming out with a lot of experience that are really very useful in the real world scenario. Technology used: front end, we are using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Back end, we are using Node.js, Express.js, and MongoDB. Third-party services, we are using Stripe for payment processes, and project management, we'll be using Trello, version control system, Git and GitHub, and the IDEs, we chose Visual Studio Code. Challenges already identified: building scalable backend system, third-party services integration. So for the third-party service integration, there will be a slight learning curve in how to integrate it in our code, so it would delay the development process. So it's on our list. Robust user authentication and authorization. So an e-commerce platform has two main kinds of users: those who are promoting their products or selling, and those who are coming in to make purchases. So you need a very robust authentication and authorization system for the users. Mastering new front-end framework to apply to the project. So we haven't to build an e-commerce platform, so picking the right front-end framework in order to make a user-friendly interface would also be a challenge, and then having an optimized platform for mobile responsiveness and performance. Schedule of work: week 1 planning and designing phase, week 2 and 3 development phase, week 4 deployment and testing. Thank you for your time. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Once again, this is the ALX Webstack portfolio project.